let's learn how you can recover old messages on or deleted messages on Messenger. There is a faster option that can help you see if the message was deleted or hidden. To check hidden messages, you'll have to go to Messenger and click on three horizontal lines. Once new tab open, click on archive, and here you'll see all archived messages that are removed from your chat list. Here you can restore your messages from archive to chats, and they will become visible again. If our message are deleted, you'll have to go to Facebook application, go to three horizontal lines, open settings on setting and privacy tab. Once you're here, you'll have to scroll down until you see your information. Now click on download information, click on continue. This is a new update. Before this you could reset your information on website, but now you will have to do this only on application. Now download information, click on this button, download or transfer information. Check your Facebook profile. How much information do you want? Click on this specific type of information, and here you will see many options. We want to download only messages, so let's select messages and click on next. You can choose to transfer to destination or to download to device. I will choose download to device. Now you will have to create a file. Click on this date range. Depends on what messages you want to bring back. It can date up to since you created your account. Do this create files. I will choose last week, so my files take less to download. Now you will have to wait for download files. Once they are ready to download, here will appear download button. Click on download and you will get your messages information download. When they download, messages should appear here in files. You can check up messages with every Facebook account you had conversation. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next